In a successful business, people make all the difference. We really do work together to give the absolute best service possible. Here's an exciting example of a 5-star experience we're happy to share right now. When someone takes the time to reach out to us about our great service, it's like a boost of energy and an affirmation that we're doing an impeccable job. And we just love to share the news. So let us put our thousands of hours of dedication, experience, and 5-star service to work for you today. Come experience the difference. We want to thank you for checking us out today, and we look forward to chatting with you soon.